Still works even after sitting in a hangar all night at minus 20, 22 degrees. Well, gorgeous day at the airport. Well, back at her again. Let's see. Gotta drain both tanks. Get all the fuel out of her. Alright, got that blanket over the door there to keep the gasoline from splashing on the Lexan. So I gotta pull the windshield off. Take this member here off. I think I'm gonna have to take this off as well. So I pretty much gotta remove everything just to get at the rivets that are in there. So it'll be quite a job. Oh well, gotta make her safe. Okay, get all the nuts off the strut and spar bolts. So it's just a matter of getting some help plucking the wings off, putting them in those saddles. Well, got the wings off her. Next step is tear into her, I guess. I think I'll do a little cleanup first. Yeehaw. Not a happy airplane. Not a happy pilot either. Let's see. Perfect flying weather. Absolutely perfect. Oh well. Alright, helps if you push the go button, record button. So it's nice and warm in here. This metal belting really sucks up the heat. Probably minus 5, 6 outside, and I bet you, I'm gonna go have a look, see how warm it is. It's minus 4 to 6 outside, and it's plus 2 in here. That's pretty friggin' amazing. How much heat this building absorbs. I'll take that. It's the only heat I got. So what I do today, take those rivets out there, and that bolt, the bolts for the windshield support going down the front. I'll take that rivet out. I might have to take these out, I don't know. Now I take these screws out on the bottom. Then I gotta detach D-cell here. That's like a styrofoam filler. Cut that all away from the fiberglass piece in the front of the cabin there. See how we make out with that. That wasn't supposed to happen. Shit. But this rivet and this rivet's still in. Guess what? They weren't holding jack shit. Okay, we got the fabric cut out. Now I can get at all this properly. Interesting how that's set up. This cap strip came right off. I'm going to replace all these too, I guess. That one might be alright. Take these all out. You know, it hurts. Shove a piece of aluminum up your fingernail. That hurts. Oops, I just son of a bitch. Well, we got the camera going. Got the windshield ready to take out, I think. There's some strange buckling and popping going on. So I got a rotten feeling there's a lot more damage here than I expected. So I'll be making a new one. It's turning into a bottomless pit. Building an airplane in the basement at home. Unbuilding an airplane at the hangar. Okay, I'll take that D cell off. Get these rivets out here. Because this tube has to come out. And I'll just take these bolts out. Of course, I'll take those rivets out too. And those bolts there, and it should slide out. This is riveted on here. Hopefully I don't have to take that off. It's turned out to be a piece of work. Okay, got a nice fresh new one here. Let's see if it fits. Second time I stuck a sliver that sealed goddamn finger. That puts the new piece in here. And all I gotta do now is drill these holes with the rivets. I think I'm gonna take this plate off and put a bend in it so that it fits flush here without any stress on that. So tube's brand new. Wing mounts back on. It'll be for another warmer day than this. So, be putting rivets back in the next job. This has turned out to be quite a project. Oh well, we'll get her done. I feel a hell of a lot safer flying it too.